Afternoon, Stav here with another completely unplanned Stav-Tech video, this time involving the Merc because it broke. Basically I was doing a burnout and suddenly afterwards the brake stopped working, and it turned out it was just a pipe from the master cylinder to the inlet manifold, so the brakes weren't pretty solid. But as soon as I had it in bits, I thought I would try and make things better for basically free if I could. After I super glued that back together, which cost me nothing, I have binned off the mesh and the honeycomb from the airflow meter, which some people say is a bad idea, but from my previous experience with a CT30 compressor I had, it made a massive difference. So I'm going to do it on this, and I'm pretty certain it won't make any adverse effect. Whether it'll help or not on this, I have no idea, but who cares, it's free and this car is a piece of crap anyway. Another thing I'm doing is, this is the original airbox, which according to the CLK 430 people is supposedly really restrictive, and they replaced these with E55 AMG ones, which supposedly gives them like 20-25 brake. How the hell that is possible, I don't know, because this don't look too bad design, and I'm not really sure how to make it bigger and it still fit under the bonnet, but clearly the E55 ones are. I guess they're longer or deeper or both, I don't know, but I don't want to pay a couple £100 for that. The car's only worth, well, only cost me 700 quid, so whatever. But looking at it, I reckon I can do something with bits I got kicking around for free, which might help, might not, but let's have a go. Good thing about this is, because it's not a boost pipe, it's just an air intake pipe, it doesn't have to be particularly strong or pressure proof, it just needs to work. So time for some crappy aluminium flexible ducting. Obviously I can't put ducting straight on that easily without it being a mess and leaking, but to be honest, I've thought of a solution for that, and that is this lovely 3-inch elbow that I've got kicking around, stainless steel bit of exhaust. I've put a bit of tape on it to make it snug, just a couple of lines, because they're both 3-inch, but this just holds it in place. So wiggle that down. That is not going anywhere, it's actually steadier than the original Mercedes part. So now I'm going to run a bit of the ducting from there to there and chuck a big cone filter I've got kicking around on there, and we'll see if it helps or makes it worse. I don't know, but it's going to be free, so even if it all goes wildly wrong, I'll just put this back. But now as we've got baseline figures for it when I bought it, this is sort of a easy way to tell if it's better. Yeah, this ducting might look like shit, but as I can show you through here, it is absolutely, you know, zero restriction. It's a nice smooth, as good as you're going to get it set up. There's no problems in there at all, and all you have to do with this is cut a slot in it and fold it round on itself. It's so flexible, so to be honest, it's probably better than a load of silicone pipe and joiners, because they've got bigger lips on it than this thing. So bear with me a minute while I finish bodging this on, and I will show you the next step. That is the filter end complete, thanks to the wonders of gaffer tape. I mean, like I said, it's not going to be under any boost, so while this might look like crap, it's actually perfectly strong. And if you look down there, hopefully, it is zero restriction at all. It's really good. So as crap as this looks, and as much as people like shiny shit, reality is this is fine. Right, and let's do the other end. That's the other end of my inlet pipe free bodge thing. Looks alright to me. It's about 5-inch diameter as well, it's big. And yeah, again, nice and smooth, nice and clean. In all honesty, this would work probably better than 99% of fancy aftermarket ones, and I made it with a pair of scissors and some old crap out of my garden. yeah, I'm going to fit it up now. I need a filter for that, which I have here. It's knackered, but I'm going to straighten this out. This is actually what they call a Cosworth Group A thing. It's big. It's like, these are meant to be fine even at like 600 plus horsepower. So once I make this look less shit, I'll give it a clean as well. I'll put that on, and I'll show you the next step. The intake pipe is on, and it's pretty decent to be fair. I'm quite chuffed with that. Now just to attach a filter, which I've got this K&N. I've now cleaned it and made it a decent size, because it was all squashed and knackered before. But yeah, these are the same filters they use on like 500 plus brake Cozes, so should be fine. So let's bolt on and see what the crack is. Right, all on. Big old filter there. It's got open down there to the ground, so it should get half decent amount of cold air. And also the original duct on the side. Granted, it's close to the exhaust manifold and whatever, but it's no worse than the standard setup really. So I mean, I could I could easily duct it off if I could be bothered, but I can't really. Let's be honest, I'm doing this for free in like 10 minutes. So should we start it up, see if it actually works? Let's go. Well, no warning lights. Seems alright. All good by the looks of it. Idle's better than it used to as well. So guess it's time to go for a drive and see if it's any faster. Get time and equipment out and go for it. Right, let's try a 60 to 100. It's as good a place as any. Yeah, it's faster. That's a bloody 0.7 of a second faster. First go. Cost me nothing. Load of old ducting. 0.7 of a second quicker. Good times. Thought it felt quicker. Feels more responsive. Still not a rocket, but right, let's have a go at a few 0-60s. Six dead. That's a little bit faster. I would say this air filter bollocks I've done actually does work. Not like night and day. It feels a little bit better, but not wildly. But timing gear don't lie, does it? And I'm even doing it on the exact same bits of road, same direction, same bit of road. Pretty much the same weather. It's probably warmer now. It was pretty cold when I did it the other day. So yeah, a bit of ducting and a bit of shit like that. It works. I'm gonna have like one more go, and then I'm gonna go and have some dinner because I'm hungry and this is boring. That is 6 dead. Right, final attempt. Bloody hell, 6 dead again. Can't say inconsistent, can you? That'll do, I'm bored, let's go home. But yeah, so, wow, there you have it. It's faster. Not loads faster, but it's faster. Job done. Thank you very much. Good night.